The stem. It is the ascending part of the axis which originates from the plumule of the embryo of germinated or germinating seed. It bears branches, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. Nodes are the region through which leaves are born, and the gap between two nodes is known as internodes. As the plant is young, the stem is green, but as gradually the plant gets old, the stem becomes brown and woody. The main function of stem is conducting water, minerals and photosynthesis across the plant. In certain cases, stem also functions in supporting the plant body as storage medium for reserved food, etc. Modifications of stem. Tendrils. Tendrils are present in case of gourd, watermelon, grapes, etc. It helps for the plant to climb thorns. These are medium of protection. It protects the plants from the browsing animals. In case of grass, stem gets branched and further grows and helps in vegetative propagation. Similar case is seen in case of strawberries also. Storage of food material as in case of ginger, potato, etc. The leaf. It develops at the node. It develops from the shoot apical meristem and it is arranged in acropetal manner. It is the main vegetative organ responsible for photosynthesis. Leaf is having three main parts. You can see in the diagram: leaf base, and then is leaf petiole, and then is leaf lamina, also known as leaf blade. It consists of veins and veinlets. Venation. Venation is nothing but the arrangement of veins and veinlets in the leaf, and depending upon this arrangement there are two types of venation seen: reticulate and parallel. Types of leaves. There are two types of leaves: simple leaf and compound leaf. Compound leaf is further categorized as pinnately compound and palmately compound. In case of pinnately compound leaves, the leaves are arranged on common axis but differently. In case of palmately compound, leaves arises or attached to a common point.